Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you simplest way to download Valorant on your PC. Let's get started. First open any browser. In the search bar type Valorant. Now scroll down and click on the link that says Valorant Riot Game. Always make sure it is the official Riot Games website so the game is safe to download. Once the website loads, you will see a big button that says play free or play now. Click on that and this will start downloading the Valorant installer file. It's a small file, usually just a few MB. Now go to the downloads folder and double click the file name valorant.exe. A window will pop up. Just click yes or allow if your computer asks for permission. Then click install. The setup will start downloading the full game. After installation, Valorant will open, and if you already have a Riot account, just log in. If you don't, click create account, type your email, create a username and password, and you are done. Valorant might ask to restart your PC because it installed Riot Vanguard and anti-cheat system. Click restart now. After your PC restart, open Valorant from your desktop. The game will finish updating and then you are ready to play. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed Valorant on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.